Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the O'Keeffe's for Healthy Feet Foot Cream, a product that promises guaranteed relief for extremely dry, cracked feet. If you're someone who struggles with rough, flaky skin on your feet, or if you've tried countless products with little success, this might be the solution you've been looking for. Let's start with an overview of what makes O'Keeffe's for Healthy Feet so noteworthy. This foot cream is specifically formulated to heal and repair the most damaged feet, creating a protective layer on the skin's surface that locks in moisture and prevents further dryness. The cream is concentrated, so a little goes a long way, and it's designed to work fast, with most users seeing noticeable improvements in just a few days. One of the standout features is that it's safe for sensitive skin, making it suitable for those with conditions like diabetes. It's also unscented, non-greasy, and hypoallergenic, ensuring that even the most sensitive users can find relief without irritation. Applying O'Keeffe's is a breeze. The cream has a rich yet non-greasy texture that absorbs quickly, so you won't be left with slippery feet or a residue that transfers to your sheets. For the best results, it's recommended to apply the cream to exfoliated skin at bedtime and after bathing. These are the times when your skin is most receptive to moisture. Personally, I found that after just a few nights of consistent use, the deep cracks in my heels began to heal, and the overall texture of my skin became noticeably smoother and more supple. When it comes to performance, O'Keeffe's truly excels. This isn't just another foot cream that sits on the surface of your skin. It penetrates deeply to provide long-lasting hydration. Even in the harshest winter conditions, or after long days in uncomfortable shoes, my feet felt protected and rejuvenated. The protective barrier it creates is effective at preventing further damage, which means fewer flare-ups of dryness and cracking over time. Pros and cons. On the positive side, O'Keeffe's Healthy Feet is affordable, highly effective, and requires only a small amount per application. The fact that it's safe for sensitive skin and free from irritating scents is a huge plus. The only real downside is that it doesn't come with an applicator, so you'll need to use your hands, and it's best to cover your feet with socks after application to lock in the moisture. Comparing this foot cream to others on the market, O'Keeffe's stands out for its rapid results and its ability to tackle even the most severe cases of dry, cracked feet. While there are cheaper alternatives out there, few match the efficacy of O'Keeffe's, especially for those who need fast, reliable relief. Is it worth the price? Absolutely. At around $9 for a 3.2-ounce jar, the value is undeniable, especially considering how long the product lasts. The quality and durability of the results make it a smart investment for anyone serious about foot care. O'Keeffe's uses a blend of effective moisturizers, including glycerin, which is known for its hydrating properties. The formulation is solid, thick, yet easy to spread, and it holds up well over time without any degradation in quality. The cream's quick absorption means you can apply it and move on with your day or night without having to wait around. It's also a no-frills product, simple, straightforward, and it gets the job done. As for customer support, O'Keeffe's backs their product with a money-back guarantee. So if for any reason you're not satisfied, you can return it for a full refund. This level of commitment to customer satisfaction speaks volumes about the brand's confidence in their product. In real-world testing, users, including myself, have reported dramatic improvements in foot health within just a few days. Whether it's dealing with seasonal dryness or ongoing issues, O'Keeffe's has proven to be a reliable solution. Before we wrap up, if you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Your support helps us bring more great content and allows others to discover this video too. O'Keeffe's for Healthy Feet Foot Cream is a standout product in the world of foot care. It delivers on its promises, offering relief for even the most challenging cases of dry, cracked feet. Whether you're an athlete, someone who spends all day on their feet, or just looking for a reliable foot cream to maintain soft, healthy skin, this product is a fantastic choice. I highly recommend it for anyone in need of serious foot repair and care. Thanks for watching. You can find the link to purchase O'Keeffe's for Healthy Feet in the comments below. Feel free to ask any questions or share your own experiences with this product. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay beautiful.